So we will create a lab task. In that lab task, we will upload an object in the S3 bucket. Then after the upload of the object in the S3 bucket, Lambda function will be called and the metadata information will be saved in DynamoDB table. So I'm just going to show here. So I'll go to Lambda function and I'll create one role. Role will not get created. Lambda function I'll create here first. So Lambda function will be created from scratch, and I'm just writing Dynamo Lambda name, and environment is Python. So I'll select Python here, latest version. And in the case of execution role, I'll go and I'll use an existing role, that is lab role. And after this one, I'll go and create function. So once till the time function is creating, I'm just going to create one S3 bucket. And here what I'll do, I'll create one bucket, and whenever I'll try to upload any object inside the bucket, then Lambda function will be triggered. So I'm just creating the general purpose bucket. Okay, so the bucket name should be unique. I'm just making it ACL enabled. Then I'm just allowing all public access. Then I need to acknowledge it. And after that, what I'll do, I'll create my bucket. So my bucket is going to be created right now. Okay, so I'm just going to Lambda function now, and in a triggering event, I'll add S3 bucket information. So in the source, I'll select S3 bucket. So it will ask bucket name. So bucket name is this one. And event type for all object event create event, I'll call this Lambda function. And I'm just acknowledging this one. And I'll add. Now I'll go and create DynamoDB table. And I'll create one table here. And here I'm just providing name of the table as new table, and partition key I'm keeping as ID. Why I have kept this, I'll discuss about that later on. So I'm just going to create table. So the table is getting created. Now I'm just going to show you. So because this one is the Python code that I'll be using, and here I'm in the table name information, I'm just using new table, and in the ID partition key I'm just providing name as ID, and all these fields of the bucket object will be saved in my DynamoDB table. So I'm just going to copy the complete code and I'll paste this code here in this Lambda function. So how I'll do that, I'll go and I'll go to the code part, and in the code source I'll paste the value. So I'm just going to post the complete code and I'll deploy it. Okay, so you can test it also. If you have any test environment, then it's okay, or you can create any test environment here also. So you can test it's working. Okay, now I'll upload one object in the bucket and I'll see the working. So I'll upload one object here. So I'll upload one object, and the information about this should be available in the DynamoDB table. So I'll go and check in the table, right? So you can see here the table information. You can explore the table items, and you will see one information about the ID, bucket information, event time, object, and size. All the informations are available here. And why all these fields are saved? Because I have kept all this information, right? ID information, bucket information, object information, size, and event and event time information. All these things are appearing there. So that's what I just wanted to discuss. Now you need to delete all the items that you have acquired, right? So you need to delete the S3 bucket, you need to delete the IAM like Lambda function and the DynamoDB